Amphiprion ocellaris, the scientific name for the ocellaris clownfish, which many of you may know as Nemo from Disney Pixar's 2003 animated film Finding Nemo, in which the young clownfish Nemo is separated from his father Marlin, and the film takes us on a journey through the sea as Marlin attempts to find Nemo. The popularity of clownfish surged really high as a result of the film. After the release of Finding Nemo, people such as Kevin Cohen, the head of Aquatic Services on the Doctors Foster and Smith Veterinary Services staff and director of LiveAquaria.com, anticipated the demand increase of clownfish, but Kevin also says that we urge potential new aquarists to understand the requirements of the species as well as the proper care and maintenance of keeping a thriving aquarium. What many people fail to realize is that Nemo is not the only type of clownfish. There are in fact 28 different species of clownfish, varying in size, shape, and color. What needs to be recognized though is that each different species has different needs, requiring different types of attention in order to be kept in the home saltwater aquarium. Since the release of Finding Nemo, people have shown an increasing interest in clownfish. Elizabeth Jackson, in the Business Report, November 2003, states that the film's prominent use of clownfish prompted mass purchase of the animal as pets in the United States, even though the movie portrayed the use of fish as pets negatively, and that the saltwater aquariums are notably tricky and expensive to maintain. The National Aquarium in Baltimore, Maryland said that in the wake of the movie, the staff prepared to help visitors sort fact from fiction from the new hit movie in anticipation of the popularity increase of clownfish. Nemo is not the only type of clownfish. There are in fact 28 different species of clownfish. Nemo, though, is a type of clownfish called Amphiprion ocellaris, or ocellaris clownfish. The ocellaris clownfish is the most common clownfish in the aquarium hobby. It has a distinctive mandarin color and 3 white bands bordered in black. This clownfish is felt to be best for the beginning marine aquarius, according to Drs. Foster and Smith's LiveAquaria.com website. Drs. Foster and Smith also indicate that the ocellaris clownfish is the most hardiest of its species, which is another reason it makes it ideal for the beginning aquarist. The 28 species of clownfish can only be found in tropical waters. Clownfish are found in the Pacific and Indian Oceans as well as the Red Sea. There are no clownfish in the Eastern Pacific, Atlantic Oceans, or the Mediterranean Sea. Suggested water temperatures for the clownfish in the home aquarium are between 72 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit, according to the Drs. Foster and Smith's LiveAquaria.com website. In order for the clownfish to survive in the wild, it is necessary for them to host a sea anemone. It is the clownfish's only source of protection because the sea anemone has specialized stinging cells called nematocysts, which the clownfish is unaffected by. Therefore, they live, hide, and seek protection in the sea anemone's tentacles. There are about 1,000 species of sea anemones in the world, but only 10 species are natural hosts to the clownfish. It is not understood, though, as to the exact reason why clownfishes are immune to the sea anemone's stinging tentacles. In the home aquarium, though, it is not necessary to house an anemone. In fact, Gregory B. Scommel, author of Clownfishes in the Aquarium, suggests that the sea anemone is not even recommended for the beginning aquarist. The size of clownfish varies among genres. The percolate clownfish is the smallest, only growing to about 2.5 inches. The largest, Clark's clownfish, grows in excess of 4 inches. In conclusion, the popularity of clownfish has increased since the release of Disney Pixar's Finding Nemo. What people should do, though, before purchasing the clownfish as a pet is become more familiar with the clownfish. There are many online resources such as ReefCentral.com, which is an online community that shares information regarding the marine and reef aquarium hobby. Finally, remember that all clownfish are not Nemos. You should become more familiar with the 28 species so you can feel confident going into your local fish store and bringing home your own clownfish. You can even call him Nemo.